N11 at the junction of N11 and the road going to Dannhauser, led by the Road Traffic Inspectorate. There are two programs why we are here. One is to actually demonstrate to our road users our availability, access as the road traffic department, that we are there ready to assist them and support them. But the second part is actually to check the readiness and the road worthiness of their vehicles and the drivers themselves.
Sizobongela ukuthi senze umgwaqo kahle ube safe on the road, take breaks. Usually abo driver benza ama long distance bayengafuna ukuphumula endleleni, yahluka ukhathazo.
The traffic officers will show us hotspots on the road where they usually experience accidents. So what we will do as a Department of Health is to bring and make sure that our ambulances are not very far from those areas. Lo D28 namhlanje esizovula lo mgwaqo phathi wawo sizobonga lokho asekwenzile uhulumeni ukuthi ke ngempela impandla iqala ngamanhlonhlo lokho aseqalile uhulumeni ukuthi ke sesethembe lizoqedela. Shayingo.
Ngizizwa ngijabule kakhulu ungqongqoshe ezovulela umgwaqo nokuthi ke sesohamba kahle nezintula sezikuyithola manje emgwaqeni njengoba sisebenza.
Siyajabula ngesimo esidalekile nje kakhulukazi ku Department ka Health. Yabona nje indlela ebesikhalela ngithi unemployment. At least laba abantu abaqashile abama CCG njengami nje cha usebenze kakhulu uhulumeni ngoba usiphungulile list emalokishini naku lapho sikhona siyabona nje ukuthi nentuthuko naye ngathi yasondela.
Sijabulela kakhulu ukuthi ke nayo uhulumeni afike enza ama road block lokho kuzonciphisa ingozi zomgwaqo, especially ngijabulele kakhulu ukuthi la eDannhauser kwi road block abayenzile abekho abantu abatholakala bephuzile. Lokho kuyakhuthaza kuyatshengisa ukuthi izinga lezidakamizwa alandile kakhulu emphakathini wethu.
Bonke ko MEC baphumile bayawenza lo msebenzi njengoba sasinqunyelwe iCabinet ukuthi masibe khona silekelele imiphakathi yethu sibuvuse ithemba sibaxoxela ukuthi kuzokwenzekani nathi sikhona siyabalekelela sifisela uChristmas omuhle abantu bethu bonke emgaqweni sifisela uChristmas omuhle kubasebenzi bethu abasemgaqweni nabo abangezowathatha amaholiday.